We feel confident in our team's abilities to ramp production quickly. Know that it is an unprecedented change, and recent statements from Tesla CEO Elon Musk have sparked widespread speculation about Tesla entering the flying car market. And the $6,789 Tesla flying car is both shocking and worth considering. Imagine traveling from New York to San Francisco in less than 19 hours compared to about 45 hours by car or 5 days with rest and stopovers, all in a vehicle that costs just 1/16 of a Model 3. Sounds crazy, right? The latest evidence is now clearer than ever that this is exactly what Tesla is doing with its Tesla flying car project, an insane vehicle that could completely change the way we think about transportation in the next decade. So how can Elon Musk make flying cars a reality? What will the Tesla flying car actually look like? And most importantly, how will they bring the price down to just $678? Welcome to our channel. But first, stop scrolling and do this right now. Please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you'll always be the first to know how to stay ahead in exploring the most groundbreaking technologies in the flying car market, especially the Tesla flying car. How does Tesla analyze the pricing of the Tesla flying car? Imagine this. You call your Tesla flying car with your phone, step into a sleek, fully autonomous vehicle, and take off from the rooftop. You soar above the crowded streets, avoid traffic jams, and land effortlessly at your destination, all in just a few minutes. No more wasting hours on the road. No more traffic. Just a seamless flying experience. Awesome. But how much does it actually cost? Is the price of $678 real, or is it just a joke for the market? When you think of a personal flying car, most people probably imagine a price tag in the range of hundreds of thousands, even millions of dollars. With advanced aviation technology, a price between $150,000 and $350,000 seems reasonable, and even $500,000 wouldn't be shocking when compared to supercars or helicopters. So is this price for a Tesla personal flying car really feasible? It's such an unbelievable number that it makes anyone stop and question. For comparison, even the Tesla Model 3, the most affordable electric vehicle from Tesla, starts at over $38,000. And when it comes to the aviation industry, the advanced technologies required usually push prices much higher than in the traditional car market. The flying car industry is developing rapidly with major companies like Joby Aviation, EHang, and Lilium already having functional prototypes. However, when it comes to Tesla, a company known for its innovation in the electric vehicle industry, the story becomes more complex. They have advanced battery technology, powerful electric motors, and world-leading autonomous systems, all of which are essential for a successful flying car. That's why Tesla is confident it can produce Tesla flying cars for under $7,000. The reality is that developing a flying car isn't just about slapping wings onto Tesla EVs. It requires breakthrough technology in aerodynamics, a stable flight control system, and most importantly, strict adherence to aviation safety regulations. The truth is, no one will believe the crazy pricing Elon Musk has set until they see this car with their own eyes. However, today we'll reveal the most convincing argument based on real facts and reasoning to prove that you can experience and own a unique modern car while still keeping costs as low as possible. The answer may lie in Tesla and SpaceX's ability to scale production, their strong supply chains, and design optimization. The company has already proven its ability to cut manufacturing costs with mainstream electric vehicles like the Model 3, Model Y, or from the unique designs of the Falcon Heavy and Starship. If they apply the same philosophy to flying cars, it's likely they are exploring a minimalist design, using ultra-lightweight materials, and leveraging advanced battery technology to reduce costs. Instead of using traditional propellers like today's airplanes, the Tesla personal flying car will feature an electric jet engine. This engine is inspired by the powerful technology behind SpaceX, but it will be adapted for electric flight, making the journey more efficient and sustainable. Tesla will also incorporate Falcon landing technology into this flying car. This technology enables the vehicle to take off and land vertically with smoothness and ease. As a result, The car will have better control during flight and, most importantly, ensure a smooth and safe landing. In terms of exterior design, Tesla will use a minimalist monocoque frame similar to the design of the Starship spacecraft. However, instead of stainless steel, they will use an aluminum lithium alloy. This material is not only lightweight and heat-resistant but also visually stunning, giving the car both durability and a luxurious, eye-catching appeal. Although there isn't much detailed information available about the design yet, from what we know, the interior of the vehicle will be designed to accommodate 1 to 2 passengers with a focus on comfort and ease of use. Additionally, the car will integrate advanced control systems and safety features to ensure passengers feel secure during their journey. Imagine sitting in a highly modern vehicle with an unobstructed view. The cockpit of this car is inspired by two giants of Tesla and SpaceX, the Cybertruck and the Dragon spacecraft. Its canopy is a 360 degrees transparent glass, offering an incredible view that allows you to fully experience the surrounding environment without any obstructions or interruptions. When designing the Tesla flying car, the door mechanism is a crucial factor affecting convenience, safety, and user experience. The two most common options today are traditional doors and gullwing doors. Traditional doors, like those found on most EVs, offer simplicity and practicality. This design makes flying cars easier to manufacture, reducing production costs and maintenance. Additionally, when landing in tight spaces such as rooftop parking lots or crowded city streets, side-opening doors face fewer height restrictions. On the other hand, gullwing doors provide a futuristic and modern feel while optimizing space during landing. These doors open vertically, allowing passengers to exit easily even when obstacles are nearby. In fact, vehicles like the Tesla Model X have already implemented this technology with built-in sensors to prevent collisions when opening. This feature is especially useful for flying cars, enabling them to land in confined spaces without worrying about having enough room for side-opening doors. So, which option is the better choice? If you were designing a flying car, would you choose traditional doors or gullwing doors? Let us know in the comments below. As for the cockpit layout, the control system will be streamlined, featuring a large touchscreen to make it easier for the driver to operate. This screen will also provide haptic feedback, replacing traditional buttons and offering a more modern, convenient experience. All flight dynamics and navigation tasks will be managed by Tesla AI, with extremely intuitive navigation, maintaining Tesla's signature design style without compromising simplicity and elegance. Inside, the space is light and airy, creating a sense of comfort from the very first glance. The cockpit is made from carbon fiber, a material that enhances the car's durability while maintaining a sleek, luxurious, and futuristic appearance. The seats are designed for 2 people, perfect for solo exploration trips as opposed to the crowded nature of traditional vehicles. Every detail is optimized to ensure maximum comfort for the passengers, allowing you to fully enjoy the journey. Equally important, this vehicle incorporates advanced technology. It uses a high-voltage 800-volt platform with silicon carbide, enhancing energy efficiency